Hi, my name is Wendelin Bali, and I'm the Senior HR Business Partner in Operations at BAT. We are once again honored to sponsor the manufacturing and FMCG category at this year's exciting 10th anniversary of the Accenture Rising Star Awards. At BAT, we continually work towards creating a better tomorrow with a focus on growing and developing future leaders. This year, we have seen some exceptional nominations. However, before I announce the semi-finalists, I would like to say well done to all the applicants, as this year's competition was very, very tough. The semi-finalists of 2021 are Zainab Mohammed from Mondelez International, Natasha Maharaj from Revlon South Africa, Tracy Nkabinde from Unilever, Ashley Mbanga from Mondelez South Africa, Melissa Abrams from BAT, Hassan Kaji from Tiger Brands, Sif Moodley from BAT, Prenasha Naidu from GSK, Nsaku Balayo from Coca-Cola Beverages South Africa, and Werner Kuhn from Revlon and Elizabeth Arden, South Africa. Well done to all the semi-finalists and all the best. Thank you.